Still stuck with skinny arms no matter how many push-ups you do? Here's the truth. Push-ups alone will never fix that. The real reason your arms won't grow goes deeper than you think. Most people waste years doing the wrong workouts and eating like it doesn't even matter. But if you fix just one training mistake and one nutrition habit, your arms will finally start to grow, even with just bodyweight training. Stick with me, because in this video, I'll break it all down, step by step, the exact progressions that build size, the simple protein strategy that fuels growth, and by the end, you'll know how to turn skinny arms into strong, muscular arms for life. Section 1. Why your arms won't grow. Here's why most people never build their arms. They rely on one exercise, usually push-ups that only hits one muscle group. But arms aren't built from one muscle. You've got 4 biceps, triceps, shoulders, and forearms. If you don't target all 4, your arms will always look flat. So let's fix that right now with a simple calisthenics routine that hits every muscle group, no equipment, just pure body weight. Section 2. The routine exercise 1. Chin-ups, the bicep builder. Chin-ups are your calisthenics, bicep curl. The underhand grip shifts the work to your arms, not just your back. Go full range chin over the bar, arms fully straight at the bottom. Can't do full reps yet? Jump up and lower slowly for 3 to 5 seconds. That negative builds insane strength for sets of 6 to 10 reps. Exercise 2. Dips. The triceps power move dips are basically the bench press of calisthenics. If you want thick triceps and strong shoulders, this is the move. Lower until your elbows hit 90. Keep your shoulders down, then press all the way up to lockout. That's where your triceps fire hardest. 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Exercise 3. Close grip push-ups. The triceps shredder hands right under your shoulders, elbows tucked in. That forces your triceps to take over. Once 15 to 20 clean reps feel easy, switch to diamond push-ups. That small change makes every rep burn. 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps. Exercise 4. Pike push-ups. The shoulder sculptor, this one's your body weight overhead press. It's how you build shoulders that actually pop. Hips high, core tight, lower your head between your hands, then drive back up. Keep elbows slightly in, not flared for stronger pressing power. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Exercise 5. Dead hangs. The forearm finisher dead hangs are the secret weapon. They build thicker forearms and rock-solid grip strength. Just hang from a bar for 20 to 40 seconds. Too easy. Use towels. That'll set your grip on fire. 2 to 3 sets, and you're done. Section 3. How to use the routine. Do this full workout 2 or 3 times per week. Rest 1 minute between sets. Focus on slow, steady progression. That's the real growth formula. Section 4. The missing piece. Nutrition and recovery. Now, here's where most people fail. Nutrition and recovery. Training sends the signal, but nutrition builds the muscle. And recovery, that's when your body actually grows. Ignore either one, and your arms won't change. Period. Nutrition, the building blocks. If you're not eating enough protein, your body simply can't grow. Think of protein as the bricks your body uses to build new muscle. No bricks, no muscle. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilo of body weight every day. Doesn't matter if it's chicken, eggs, fish, beans, or protein powder. What matters is consistency. Hit that number daily. Recovery. Where growth happens, you don't grow during the workout. You grow after it. 2 keys here. Sleep. Get 7 to 9 hours per night. Poor sleep wrecks hormones, recovery, and performance. Rest days. Smashing arms every day doesn't make them grow faster, it just burns you out. Train, rest, grow. That's the cycle. And that's it, the full formula to fix skinny arms for good. Hit all 4 muscles. Eat smart. Recover hard. Now it's your turn. Which exercise are you starting with first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want more calisthenics routines that actually build muscle, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.